Okay, so welcome again. Together, guys, we have another new session, and we will discuss now and we will practice on Monero. So many people are asking where is the market is going, and you see that a few weeks ago we have some powerful bullish movements after some fake bearish candles called bearish engulfing. Okay, and also in this video I will reveal some of the important secrets that will help you to not getting into the trap, or not being let's say to not be convinced if there is something fake to let you go out of the market. So please just listen to this session. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe to my channel and also check my previous videos. There is some important lessons. I promise you will never regret watching all this kind of movements. And also I hope you guys get the knowledge to understand that the markets have some algorithmic levels and some secrets, and by simple tools you can extract them. You don't need to pay thousands of dollars by simply making money in this market, when actually we have some beautiful and also very easy tools to extract money and make money without hesitation. So guys, thank you very much. Let's start. So I will start with this bearish signal. Many people are making mistakes. Okay, so they see or they check the 4-hour chart and they start taking let's say taking decisions based just on this kind of movements, and they told you sometimes that we have bullish trends, sometimes bearish trends. No, it doesn't make sense, guys. Okay, and this is not how it works. So every time you are making a trade, you should check the weekly and the daily chart, and you have to get yourself ready if there is something important, or there is something let's say gives a bad signal to the traders or other the community in cryptocurrency, if you are trading the cryptocurrencies. So what I mean here, guys, when you see this candle here, you should be careful. This is called shooting star, and some of them called a capitulation candle. It doesn't matter. What we care about is the pattern. Okay, it's the form. We care about the form. So this form here shows some, let's say we can say, okay, well, people are convinced to short or to get out of their positions. So also we have some fake, okay, bearish engulfing here. So we should be careful that this kind of tokens or this kind of coins as a short reputation, they behave sometimes by using fake candles. So we should not rely on candles forms, but trust me, guys, when you see this, simply you should protect your positions and protect your earnings. And you can back to the videos when we talk about the risk management. You will see and understand that the market, if you respect money management and respect the risk ratio, trust me, you will never lose your capital, at least. So let's continue. So guys, here this is a candle, but there is a problem. We didn't close yet. Okay, there is a chance, but I don't think that the markets can go higher than let's say 150. So this week here, okay, this week will affect the market and will let people get out of their positions because they see this kind of forms. So we have 2 days left, and I think there is a lot of things could happen in these 2 days. So we should not rush. We should not take decisions based just on forms without a complete closure. But it doesn't matter. We should understand that there is some in the, let's say, important things happens in the weekly charts. So please, guys, write down a form of shooting star or a capitulation candle could get the market or get the traders out of their long positions. So it's time to what? It's time to short, but not, okay, wait, let's back to the daily chart. What do you see, guys, here? If you can see that there is some capitulation candle here over the 150, okay, somehow, and then there is another bearish engulfing today that engulfs the previous candle, and we had to stop, and the market stops at this kind of level. So you know, there is an uptrend, and we should get into the deep by understanding each and every chart and time frame. So bad signal on the daily chart, and we should be careful trading the market today. Okay, it's another day, guys. Yep. Okay, we should be careful now. We have moving average sorry, here I made a mistake. Okay, I have to set the 200, and the source of the law, this is the algorithmic let's say algorithmic closure of the moving average. So when the moving average close at, or can calculate the lows and also calculate the highs, there is a probability that the market can gives you let's say good signals to benefit. So if there is a loss, okay, you should use these parameters or these settings only when you are looking for a support, and use the high when you are looking for resistances. So it doesn't make sense if you are looking working just by the close, or let's say HLC or MA, I mean the moving average basis. No, make the low and the highs if you are looking for support and resistance. So as long as we are working to buy the lows, so let's see where there is the first point we can take a decision. So click OK, and you can see here there is a low. Okay, sorry. Okay, and this is the second. So guys, here you can see the markets actually I mean the Monero system looks negative, but we have to wait until the market retests this level here at 112. Okay, we can go maybe lower than that, but for the moment we should be waiting the market here how it behaves, and then we can skip that to the next level at the $100. So maybe we can have a correction till the $100, and maybe we can just retest this level here, but at the end of time the market judge and the market decisions are the winner. Okay, so this is a trend. Okay, and you can see that the market breaks lower than this trend, and maybe the market can retest these levels here. Okay, here, and then the market can have another probability of falling here if that happens. So this is our structure point. This is our structure point. If the market goes again higher than this level, so there is a probability that we can go back again to retest 50% of this wave here. So bring the fiber tracements. This is the high and this is the low, based on that candle, not that candle. Okay, adjust the lows each time you see another new candle, but there is only one way. It is the 50% of this candle, sorry, 50% of this wave here, which represents a candle. Okay, and then we can have our targets done and our levels done. So now guys, we should be waiting how the market will behave with this level and with this level also and this level. If you want to take risk to buy from today or based on that candle here for hour one, you should just ask yourself, where is your stops? Okay, where is your stops? Say for example, I want to have my entry point at this current price. Okay, and there is something important, guys. You'll never buy. Okay, never buy when the market, or I mean the candle, didn't close yet. Just always buy when you see a closure. Okay, when you see a closure, then take the decision to buy. Never buy when you never count on something you don't know or you can't predict. For example, here you can see this candle is a bullish, and you will take your position, okay, based on it, and you will buy. But trust me, there is almost 1 hour left. Okay, 1 hour left. So if you buy here, maybe the market can go higher and retest the 120, then the candle will be negative. Then you know people will be convinced to sell, and you have a position here, and trust me, you can have your stops get done. So always, if you want to reduce the risks, and never buy when the candle is still running or still working. Okay, because you know there is works inside this candle. People are buying and people are selling, so it's a work, it's a job. So wait till the close and then take your decision. So for example here, guys, okay, if you see this, okay, you can have a probability to buy and you will be successful. Okay, you will be successful, especially if you are trading let's say okay, the futures. You will have 0.50 if you are trading, for example, a leverage of 10, then it's almost 10% or almost 5% out of nothing. Okay, so and it is not risky. But when you take decision based on candles still running, still not closed yet, then your probability to make money is lower. It is the same way trading a candle that it is not giving you some exact signals. So guys, here, if you want to buy, wait the closure of this candle. If something deserves, you can take your positions, and there is, here you can see there's a moving average. Probably we can retest this level here, probably not, but you can take your decisions based on the candle, and also the stops will be lower than this candle. So if you want to buy, for example, here, say okay, you bought here, so your stop must be here or must be lower than that. Okay, so you should risk, say, 1% in order to make how much? In order to make 1.5. So for scalpers, this is an opportunity, especially if you are trading using the leverages. So check your decisions now, and based on that, you can have the ability to extract algorithmic levels and check the decision based on the closure and based on the timing, on the right timing. Then there is nothing left, just you can wish yourself a good luck. So guys, this is all for this session today. I think this is all the levels we have here. As long as we are lower than this level, and I will change the color for you in order to be careful. Okay, I mean this red level here, you should be careful, guys. You should be careful. Okay, because you have a lot of bearish signals, especially this candle today, and that doesn't make sense if you are buying the lows when actually something doesn't deserve, or something isn't interesting, especially if there is a high risk. Also be careful to this candle here, and wait. If the market closed like that, just never buy, okay, without engulfing the whole, okay, the whole candle at the say 150. Okay, 150. I'm talking about engulfing, I mean surpass the level. Okay, not only the high, but surpassing it. So guys, thank you very much for listening to this session. Don't forget to subscribe and hitting the like button. Thank you very much. See you later.